Hey friend, let's talk about it. This is my newest collaboration with Nudestix. It's the Glamzilla Dirty 30 Blush Kit. And oh my gosh, you are going to love it. I literally made it so that you would love it. Okay, let's talk. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Let's get into it. First things first, I look sickening. Nudestix has never done packaging like this ever. Honey, come on. So this is a blush kit. It comes with 2 blushes. Here they are. This is Dirty 30 and this is Flirty and Thriving. Dirty 30 is magic, okay? Because I took all the best-selling blush shades on the market and I mixed them. This is it. I literally took the best of the best neutral shades, mixed them all together, and this is what happened. It is the perfect peachy pink nude brown berry at the same time. You're gonna see it in action and you're gonna understand what I mean, but this is everything in one. Here it is swatched and it's a universal shade. It works on all skin tones. You can use it on the eyes, lips, the cheeks. It's really up to you, but let me show you it in action. I have a little bit on already. This is what it looks like sheared out, but I'm gonna show you it in action. You see how it's pink and peach here, but then berry up here. You can shear it out, you can build it up. It's all up to you. Now I have to show you this on the lips. I wear this blotted on the lip. It's my favorite look because that lip filler effect. You know that look when people get lip filler? This is the color! And you can wear it on the eyes too. Yeah, I know. I really think this is gonna be your favorite blush because I designed it to be. And I called it Dirty 30 because this year I found out that beauty doesn't end at your 30s, it evolves at your 30s. That was just the first one. Remember, this is a duo, so you get Flirty and Thriving too. This is the first split stick that Nudestix has ever done. And this is something I actually made for myself. It's my perfect blush and my perfect bronzer in one. This is Flirty, here's Thriving, and this is both of them mixed. I wanted you to be able to contour on one side and blush on another. See how it's my perfect blush shade? Now let me show you this on the lips. Go in with your favorite lip liner. Flirty on the bottom, Thriving on the top. Mix it together. Slay. And of course you can add this on the eyes too. So easy, so quick, snatched. And I named this one Flirty and Thriving. 13 going on 30, one of my favorite movies of all time. That's the Nudestix Glamzilla Dirty 30 Blush Kit. It's available now worldwide. And remember, beauty doesn't end at 30, it evolves at 30. I love you guys so much!